Put it on movie mode. Alright.
I'll throw you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh no.
Is that fun?
And now Doug can't get her out. Oh my gosh. There she is! Well, this is just one day. What time are we looking at? 3:30? No.
One more time.
The last time I took a picture, I believe, was at 1:30. This is
Ready?
one day.
We're gonna do it again.
Oh no. Pull her hat down. I guess she's okay. Let's show.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's enough.
You can let Atlas out now. Here I come.
Yeah, let's go get him. There's the hand. Woo! Alright. This is just so unbelievable. Just one day there goes poor Cassidy. She can't even move around.